Why does cracking your knuckles make that satisfying popping sound? Is it actually bad for you? That sound comes from tiny gas bubbles collapsing in the fluid of your joints when you stretch them. Contrary to popular belief, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. In fact, multiple studies have debunked that myth. However, excessive cracking might irritate your joints over time. So, what's your take? Do you crack your knuckles often? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights.